my fellow commissioners, iMadlanga Commission of Inquiry have completed with the downloading of AMA devices of General Feroz Khan. So now what they are going to do, they have set a date of the 1st of July 2026. That is the date that is set. Feroz Khan will appear at Madlanga Commission of Inquiry. But here's something that is interesting. So the Madlanga Commission of Inquiry is releasing the complete bundle of papers relating to the summons of Major General Feroz Khan to appear before the commission. So the papers have been made to the public and the record were filed in court, and the commission is within its right to release the full papers to the media and the public. So these are the annexures. These are the mgulugutus that Feroz Khan need to account and answer. And here's something interesting. So these are the downloads of the iCloud, like the whole database of the devices of Feroz Khan. So the other thing is that in 2021, the former EFF Mbuyiseni Ndlozi asked some questions at Parliament. Subsequently, those questions, they were addressed to Ispoisa. So this is the statement of the questions that they were asked to the Minister of Ispoisa, uBheki Cele. So something also interesting about this, these are the screenshots, so depicting a WhatsApp conversation between Mohammed Said and Mr. Julius Malema, which was obtained and subsequently forwarded to Major General Feroz Khan by Mohammed Said. So these are the questions that they were prepared to uBheki Cele and about the alleged relationship